Before we begin, it's important to know that the data on this form splits out into 3 separate reports. One is the annuity report, the second is the survivor benefit report, and the third is the delayed retirement report. Alright, now let's get started. Here we are at the annuity calculation screen. This form will allow us not only to estimate the annuity before and after penalties, but also what that annuity will be should you continue to work. First question you'll be asked is if retirement is delayed, not deferred, but delayed, would there be any salary increases during this 12-year estimate? If so, click yes and enter your salary increase percentage. In this next field, we'll be entering COLA. That will not be reflected in the delayed retirement estimate, only in the annuity estimate. So in the chart below on this form and delayed retirement estimate report page, you will not see a COLA reflection, as this is a 12-year snapshot of what your annuity would look like should you continue to work. You can either manually enter your COLA or click COLA History, and the average COLA for CSRS or FERS will be entered for you. Be sure to hit Tab after you've made your entry into this field. Next, you'll select a survivor benefit, and immediately the chart will populate below. Over on the right, you'll see the return of data based on the information that you've provided, and you can view that data in years or months. If for some reason your screen didn't populate, go ahead and click Calculate. In this chart, you'll be able to see the annuity with and without penalties, with and without survivor benefit, and what the survivor's annuity would look like in this 12-year estimate. Also, you can use these toggle switches to show either a time penalty or a dollar penalty for both deposit and redeposit. Once you've entered all data on this form and you're ready to move on to the next form, you'll click Next. Not only will your data be saved, but you'll be taken to the next applicable form.